What's up everyone? My name is Chavito to the Ocho, and today I'm here with my little bro King B611. Make sure you guys go subscribe to King B611. Anyway, so today we're going to be unboxing the brand new Vizio 5.1 surround system. To be more specific, it's a soundbar that we just got at Walmart. And before we start this video, I actually do want to say something real quick. This video was actually made before I did the apartment tour, so little FYI right there, fun fact. So without any further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and unbox this. Joey's gonna help me record the unboxing, and then I'm not gonna worry about figuring out how to set it up. I'll just read the instruction manual. So without any further ado, hope you guys enjoy, and let's get started. Alright, so let's go ahead and unbox this right now. So I already got the tape out. And don't worry, I'll edit this video later. So that's one side, and I'm going to open it this side. Alright, so there's 3 sides. Oh, I didn't know there was a 4th one. So there's actually 4 sides to this. Yeah, sorry if you can't really see me. I'm just trying to open the lids. Alright, so this is the foam. And here we have is a little quick step manual. I'm gonna actually take care of that. Those are the little rear speakers. They're wireless. The subwoofer. And here is the actual bar. And before I put the other stuff away, I need to make sure if there's anything else that I need to do at the last minute. Alright, this is the box full of cables, as you guys can see right here. Let's see. This gel packet. You know, I don't get it. Answer this question with me. Why is it that they only carry those gel packets? Especially when you buy shoes or something. I never get that. Why? Is it for like stains or something? What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. Alright, let's see. Anything else left? Nope. So we got the box out of the way. Alright. Let me just make sure I get rid of the white foams. And yes, they are recyclable. And you can also use those foams to make out of foam something for your science project. Just saying. Alright, so now, if we could turn the camera around so I can sit down on this chair, I am going to unpackage the little soft and plushiness. Okay, so this is what the actual speaker looks like. And same here with the rear one. Both ends have tape in it, so that's 2 rear speakers. I'm gonna actually place them both here for now, so I won't have to worry about that later. Alright, let's do the sub. By the way, if you want to know how much this is, it's $200. Plus the 2-year warranty, that's $15. Alright. Here is this bad boy, as you can, oh, sorry, I have my wrong bus. This is the subwoofer. Here's the front of it. And here's the side corners. Sorry about my sweaty hands. I'll be sure to wipe them later. This is the back of the ports. And lastly, we have 2 more things left to do. This box of cables and this soundbar. Alright. Finally, unpack the main source. Well, 2 main sources, actually. To be honest with you, I was actually going to go for the Enclave Cinehome Pro, or THX certified, but I'm going to actually get that once I have my own place. So, yeah, it doesn't really matter. And, ooh, looks nice and fresh. And voila! This is the sound bar. Here are the button ports. And let me just actually be very careful and rotate this. Don't want to mess this up because it's brand new. And this right here, this is the back port. So all I have to do is connect this with a HDMI, and this is like in case you have a touch link, optical, and this is just for the aux cord with the power adapter. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and cut this section out because I have to install it. It's really that easy, so I'll see you on the next one. Oh, by the way, I actually forgot to mention something. This is the box for the cables. So, yeah, this is the... I'm thinking this is the satellite cables. This is the remote control. This is the power adapter for the subwoofer. These 2 auto wall mount brackets, I'm not even going to worry about those. RCA cables, the aux cable. This is for like when you don't have an iPhone or an older phone, and this is for the soundbar. And this comes in with the HDMI cable. And lastly, it is the soundbar user manual. And that's it. Alright guys, it took me about 1 day to actually do this. But I finally managed to get the soundbar connected to the TV. So, what happened was I forgot to turn on the TV when I was trying to plug in with the HDMI. So if you're wondering why there's no sound coming out the soundbar, is because you forgot to leave the TV on. So you want to make sure you leave the TV on when set up to HDMI ARC. So that way it can get the best results. And I'm not sure if you can tell if my soundbar is on, but let me turn up the volume right now. So yeah, I'm actually pressing with this, so just back up again and see what happens. You guys see that? That's the LED glowing. So yeah, it works. Because my TV is an LG WebOS, And this comes in with universal control settings. So I'm gonna actually play a little video for you guys. But let's see. Let me switch to the Roku remote. I am going to try testing out YouTube and see what happens. This is my little brother's account. Let's test this baby out.
Is Dolby Cinema. It's where the most advanced cinematic technology you've ever experienced begins. This is Dolby Atmos. The number of speakers around you no longer matters, because this is the world's first object-based cinematic audio. With powerful moving audio that transcends from channels to moving around you with pinpoint accuracy. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of the scene,
Come on, you guys, let's go.
or captures the full extent
Do you want to know my secret?
of nature's fury.
Alright, so before we end this video, I want to give my personal opinion about my brand new soundbar. I actually loved it. I'm actually going to rate my soundbar 4.2 out of 5. Well, the reason why I say 4.2 out of 5 is because, well, to be honest with you, I thought that it was going to be like wireless with the rear wireless speakers, but as it turns out, you have to actually plug them in to the Soundbar, so I guess it defeats the purpose of having quote-unquote wireless, but yeah, whatever, it still looks cool anyway. But yeah, I'm not planning on mounting the speakers on the wall until we get a house, because this is an apartment. And yeah, I'm not trying to like install too many wall mounts or anything like that, so I'm not gonna try doing that. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys want to get a soundbar just like mine's, I'm gonna actually guys leave the link in the description on Amazon, so that way you can find one. And I really do hope you guys enjoyed this video, as I mentioned before again. So thank you guys so much for watching. Alright, and if you haven't checked out my apartment tour yet, then click right here on the screen. Anyway, that's all. See you guys. And make sure you guys go check out my other accounts, Jason Reacts and Jason Plays. And I'll see you guys again on the next one. Peace.